Yeah. Oh, the apartment life. Got the art. Oh, we watching it. This is the most best interview ever right here. Aaron Schwartz, the founder of Reddit, basically the coolest dude alive at a young age. And then a thunderstorm is here, so I'm about to just wait till it bangs. Thunderstorm live. Oh yeah. Not really the most organized video, but you get the fucking point. You get the fucking point. We got the fucking mosquito net here, motherfucking mosquitoes. Alright, let's take a look outside. What the fuck we got going on? MTV Cribs, what's good up in this bitch? Oh, raining like a motherfucker. Raining like a motherfucker. You couldn't even hear the rain right here. This is the elevator. The mosquitoes lurk there though. That's where the mosquitoes are. You go in the elevator. Watch out on the elevator. The mosquitoes are there. All day, every day. I'm gonna go with it.